Living in an urban apartment often means learning how to make the most of limited space. Among all the rooms in a home, the kitchen is usually the most challenging area to organize efficiently. Small kitchens can easily feel cramped, cluttered, and uncomfortable, especially in busy city apartments where every square meter matters. However, minimalist design offers a practical and stylish solution. A tiny minimalist kitchen is not simply about having fewer items. It is about creating a space that feels open, functional, and visually calming, while still supporting everyday cooking and dining needs. With thoughtful layouts, smart storage solutions, and intentional design choices, even the smallest apartment kitchen can become both beautiful and highly efficient. Why minimalism works perfectly for small kitchens. Minimalism focuses on simplicity, functionality, and purposeful design. In compact urban apartments, these principles naturally improve usability and comfort. A minimalist kitchen eliminates unnecessary visual clutter and prioritizes only the essentials. This design approach also helps small kitchens appear larger than they actually are. Clean lines, neutral colors, and organized surfaces create a sense of openness that many urban residents crave after long days in crowded city environments. Additionally, minimalist kitchens are easier to clean and maintain. When storage is efficient and countertops remain uncluttered, the space feels calmer and more inviting. The one-wall kitchen layout. One of the most popular layouts for tiny apartments is the one-wall kitchen. In this design, cabinets, appliances, and countertops are aligned along a single wall, making it ideal for studio apartments and narrow living spaces. The beauty of a one-wall kitchen lies in its simplicity. By concentrating all kitchen functions in one compact area, the rest of the apartment remains open and flexible. This layout works especially well when combined with minimalist cabinetry and integrated appliances. To maximize efficiency, vertical storage becomes essential. Upper cabinets that extend to the ceiling can provide additional space for rarely used items while maintaining a clean appearance. Open shelving can also help reduce visual heaviness if styled carefully with minimal accessories. Using built-in appliances such as compact refrigerators, slim dishwashers, and induction cooktops further enhances the streamlined aesthetic. Galley kitchens for efficient workflow. Galley kitchens are another excellent option for urban apartments. This layout features two parallel counters with a walkway in between, creating an efficient cooking zone inspired by professional kitchens. Although galley kitchens are narrow, they can feel surprisingly functional when designed with minimalism in mind. The key is maintaining visual balance and avoiding overcrowding. Choose flat panel cabinets without excessive detailing to create smooth visual continuity. Light-colored finishes such as matte white, soft beige, or light gray can help reflect natural light and make the kitchen feel more spacious. To prevent the area from feeling enclosed, consider replacing some upper cabinets with floating shelves or installing under-cabinet lighting. Reflective materials such as glass backsplashes or satin finishes can also enhance brightness in compact spaces. The L-shaped layout for flexible living. For apartments with slightly larger kitchen corners, an L-shaped layout provides excellent flexibility. This arrangement uses two connected walls, forming a natural work triangle between the sink, stove, and refrigerator. An L-shaped minimalist kitchen allows better movement while opening opportunities for small dining areas or multifunctional furniture. In many urban apartments, the kitchen and living rooms share the same open-plan environment, making this layout highly practical. One effective minimalist strategy is using handleless cabinets to maintain a seamless appearance. Hidden storage compartments, pull-out organizers, and corner drawers can significantly improve space efficiency without adding clutter. A compact dining table or foldable breakfast bar can further enhance functionality while preserving the open atmosphere of the apartment. Smart storage is the heart of minimalism. In tiny kitchens, storage matters more than decoration. Minimalist kitchens succeed because everything has a designated place. Pull-out pantry cabinets are extremely useful in narrow spaces. They utilize vertical areas efficiently and allow easy access to ingredients and kitchen tools. Deep drawers often work better than traditional lower cabinets because they provide better visibility and organization. Magnetic knife strips, wall-mounted rails, and hanging storage systems help free up countertop space while keeping essentials within reach. Multifunctional furniture can also make a dramatic difference. For example, a kitchen island with hidden storage or a dining bench with built-in compartments can provide additional practicality without consuming extra space. Decluttering regularly is equally important. A minimalist kitchen should contain only frequently used tools, cookware, and appliances. Keeping countertops mostly clear instantly makes the room feel larger and calmer. Choosing colors and materials wisely. Color selection has a major impact on how spacious a tiny kitchen feels. Minimalist interiors often rely on neutral palettes because they create visual harmony and reduce distraction. White remains the most popular choice for small kitchens because it reflects light effectively. However, warm neutrals such as sand, taupe, or soft gray can add character without overwhelming the space. Natural materials also play an important role in minimalist kitchen design. Light wood finishes bring warmth and prevent the kitchen from feeling sterile. Combining matte textures with subtle metallic accents can create a sophisticated urban aesthetic. When possible, maximize natural lighting. Large windows, sheer curtains, and reflective surfaces all contribute to a brighter environment. Good lighting is essential in small kitchens because dark corners can quickly make the space feel cramped. Minimalist appliances for compact spaces. Modern appliance manufacturers now offer many compact solutions specifically designed for urban living. Slim refrigerators, combination microwave ovens, and portable induction cooktops are ideal for minimalist kitchens. Integrated appliances are particularly effective because they blend seamlessly with cabinetry. Hidden dishwashers and concealed refrigerators create cleaner visual lines and maintain design consistency. Choosing fewer but higher quality appliances aligns perfectly with minimalist philosophy. Instead of filling the kitchen with gadgets, prioritize versatile tools that serve multiple purposes. Creating a kitchen that feels peaceful. Beyond aesthetics and functionality, minimalist kitchens can also improve emotional comfort. Urban life is often fast-paced and stressful, and a clutter-free kitchen provides a sense of calm and order. Small spaces do not have to feel restrictive. With thoughtful layouts, intentional storage, and clean design choices, tiny apartment kitchens can become stylish, efficient, and welcoming.